Hi everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you all how I made this delicious native rice for my family. Trust me, they all loved it and I had to bring it here to share with my community members. So if you're really interested to watch, please sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. So one of the star ingredients for native rice is the palm oil. You have to use enough palm oil to prepare this type of rice. And the next thing I add to add is my onions. Very important to add this particular ingredient. And the next is my pepper mix. For the pepper mix, I am using tatache. I also use this yellow pepper, which here in Nigeria we call it Isuka pepper. Yes, the yellow type. And I'm using shombo and scotch bonnet. So for this particular recipe, you don't need anything like tomatoes, just purely pepper. But if you're good with tomato, it's all fine and up to you. Okay, so I have to add everything, and when it's dried properly, I give it a stir, and it's time to add all my ingredients, which is the crayfish, nut cubes, salt, and the likes of it. For this type of rice, you don't need too much, like you don't need to do too much. Once you have your crayfish, right here I'm adding ukweyi. In Igbo here in Nigeria, we call it ukweyi, but I'm sorry, I don't know what's called in English. Maybe it's dawa dawa. I am not really sure, but hey, you get the vibes, right? So right here I'm adding my salt, nut cube, and of course my dry fish. This is very, very important, guys. I'm using dry fish for this recipe and likewise smoked fish. So you can play with your protein depending on what you prefer or what works for you. So when I'm done adding all my protein, which is the dry fish and smoked fish, I gave it a stir. I feel like the flavor from the smoked fish and dried fish, we definitely get infused with the rice. I had to fry it with the pepper properly because I want everything, to get infused together. I still added more milk cubes because at that point it doesn't have enough taste like that. So for this recipe, once you have your crayfish, your pepper, and the okwe, which I made mention earlier, which is dawa dawa in English. Like I said, I'm not too sure. Okay, so don't quote me wrong. But in Igbo we call it okwe sha. So I had to, that particular ingredient is very, very, important for something like this. I think some people actually use ogiri. Yes, if I'm not mistaken, right? So at this point, everything, I have to fry everything very well, and this is what it's looking like. Of course, I had to, give it a stir to make everything come together. So if you have watched to this point, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share and comment. So at this point, I'm adding my washed rice. I have to give it a stir. Of course, you guys, from this particular video right now, you could tell that this rice is going to be very, very delicious. Please ignore whatever noise you're hearing from the background. It is what it is, something that I cannot control. Okay, so please like the video if you've watched this point. Like the video, drop your comments, share the video, subscribe to my channel is very, very important. So at this point, I had to stir everything, and I allow the rice to pan toast a bit so that all the ingredients inside it can get infused with the rice together, likewise all the flavor, just to give the rice a beautiful taste. Okay, so our rice is ready. You guys, can you check out this delicious rice? Look at the fish, the dry fish, the smoked fish. Everything came out so perfectly. Yeah, I want you guys to, try this recipe. Trust me, you are going to love it. It's very easy to make. There's not too much drama. So I'm adding here my scent leaf, just to give it, extra flavor. Scent leaf, gives this type of rice some beautiful flavor. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this recipe. So we come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe to my channel, drop your comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.